Hello everyone, and today in this video we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Realme Buds Air Neo, and I bought them from Flipkart for around rupees 1800. On the back side of the box there are some quick specifications such as Bluetooth 5.0 and a 17-hour total battery backup. So let's just unbox it using the Thor's axe that I have, but you can do it from a knife or your fingers or from anything you want to do it. Okay, anyhow, I've done it from my fingers as well, and so can you. One thing to notice over here is that the yellow color of the box is very vibrant, but it looks soothing to the eye. Like it does not, irritate the eye or something like that. Okay, so there's the box itself, and these also come in a olive green color. If you must have noticed, the picture is there on the front of the box. So yeah, removing the upper lid, let's check what's inside the box. Okay, so right inside the box we have the Realme Buds Air Neo, which look very identical to the Apple AirPods, which is an industry standard, and I guess they have just copied the style right away, and there are no changes made whatsoever. So over that we have a quick plastic peel. Let's remove that, and this is the box itself, and there's the iconic hinge which reveals the buds themselves. So yeah, on the back side we have the Realme branding, and the case is very glossy and very shiny and looks pretty in the white color. And there's also this green LED light in the front which also serves as the battery indicator. Let's keep the charging case aside and see what else is there in the box. So yeah, just some cushioning, and right inside the cushioning we have a pamphlet which says tips, and the tips mentioned are where's the touch area, what does the button do, how to pair, and how to factory reset the device. Okay, moving ahead, removing a plastic papers kind of a thing, we have a micro USB cable, and it is sad to see a micro USB cable because these days at this price point wireless earphones are selling with type C cable, and there's the long user manual that no one never reads. So yeah, putting all the accessories and specifically the micro USB cable back again in the box, covering it with the lid, and there goes the manual and the cushioning that came with the earphones, and the cellophane and everything right inside the box, and my JBL box just fell down. Okay, putting it back and putting the lid on the Realme AirBuds Neo's box and keeping it to the side for a while. Now, coming back to the case itself, as you can see, the bottom of the case has a micro USB port for charging, and the back side has Realme branding, while the rest of the case is pretty clear. And let's just have a look at the earbuds themselves. So yeah, these are just identical to the Apple AirBuds from Apple AirPods, from each and every angle, like the stem and the ear part of the earphone that goes inside your ear, everything. And right on the stem there's a part where you can control these with touch. So yeah, coming back to the box, it is prone to scratches, so you have to use it a bit carefully. And yeah, that's it.